So you are in the middle of a project, the framing is done, and then you got a call from the building department that you got to stop the project. What do you do next? Hey guys, once again, Sid Gallup from Treetop Group. We are here at 20 Grayson Road, Winchester. You know, in my career of over 16 years, I think we have seen it all, done it all. But guess what? Not true. We have done many projects and we have encountered wetlands. You know, maybe we are not the expert. There are experts for it, but we do know when we start a project where it is. You know, you can usually go to the city GIS map. That's where, you know, you are seeing the visible mark of a wetland, where there's a pond, river, a lake, or whatnot, right? This property is very, very unique. If you look around over here, there is no water, if you can see at all. If you see from the naked eyes, right behind me over here, you know, it looks like a perfect yard for somebody's backyard, you know. You would never assume that there is a brook. Even if you look right now, we have a lot of rains and everything, there is no water, you know, there's no water at all. But when it rains significantly, then somehow I feel like there's a small brook, which is right behind me over here. It comes, and that's what, when that happens, it falls under Wetland Protection Act. And when that happens, that means no matter what, small or big, we still have to follow the same processes. Where if it was a big lake or pond over here, we still have to go do the all steps with the Conservation Department of Winchester. Everything is same, you know. But because of such a small thing, middle of the project, it's a lot of pain, a lot of frustration, a lot of delays, a lot of money spent, and I want you to be aware of it. All right, so this is the property, 20 Grayson Road, Winchester. We got this off market. It was a small home, like 1600 square feet, choppy old home, 3 bedrooms, you know, very tiny, what you see over here. First, the reason why we use Winchester is it's a great place for us to expand. It's a nice community, very close to Boston, but it has a very suburban feel. The downtown is very classic, you know, New England style. School systems are great. It's so highly desirable. And we feel like this 1,500 square feet home, once we are done, we actually redesigned the whole thing. If you see the facade, it was different, just a simple slope. We'd give a lot of character to it. And then we did an addition in the back and we reframed the whole thing. Now it's almost like a new construction, barring the foundation. Now it's over 3,000 square feet. We have 5 bedrooms. We have 4 to 5 bathrooms, and we have given bedrooms even in a basement and even on the upper level, a bunch of them. So they can use it for the in-laws suite in the basement, or they can have an office space. So this house basically provides a new family all kind of flexibility what they need for. It's a great location, close to the town. The playing field is right over there, and a nice little yard. We purchased this property off market for $850. We are thinking that we should be able to sell it around 1.9, little under 2. So at the end of the day, with our cost of construction and everything, that gives us a very decent profit margin. As you guys know, we do a lot of development in surrounding areas close to Boston, like Cambridge, Arlington, Medford. Now we are here in Winchester. We also started Somerville. We have 2 projects going on over there now. And then we are doing a 4-unit new construction in Melrose. So we are kind of expanding, and it's only possible because there are a lot of investors who wanted to work with us. They wanted to invest money with us. They've seen our track record for past 16 years. They've seen what we do, what kind of quality we do, and the areas we work. That's where we are creating a niche, and we are creating our expertise in it. And if you are interested in investing with us, we'll be happy to talk to you. Hey guys, if you like this video, please do like and subscribe us. And if you want to know more about this project or our other projects behind the scene, please put a comment below and let us know.